Hi everyone! So I have been wanting to do this YouTube channel for so long, dah lama sangat dah. So finally today I get the chance to actually do it. So yeah, you can call me Ilya. And also if you find this video interesting, or if you want more videos, or if you have any suggestions, please comment down below, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. But for the first episode, I will be cooking this, what I love to call a multi-purpose sambal. So basically, this multi-purpose sambal is what you can make, you know, you can multi-purpose it. Like today, I will be showing you guys how to cook Kuey Teow with this particular sambal. But you can also, you can make these nyonya vegetables, or you can make mihun goreng, you can make sambal ayam, prawn sambal, anything, basically anything at all. Sambal is very cheap, very easy, and very fast for you to make it. You can keep it in the fridge for like a month or so. So yeah, without further ado, let's go through all the ingredients. All you need is just 3 items: dried chili, garlic, and shallot. What I did was I soaked the dried chili in a hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I drained them, and then put everything in the food processor and blend it away, guys. And this is how it's supposed to look like after you blend for roughly about 1 to 2 minutes. And also I added a little bit of hot water to make sure all the things are well blended. Okay, you don't have to blend it until it's like super fine. It's just this is just perfect. Okay, now let's move on to the next part. Okay, so basically after you blend your item, so this is your blended item, in a hot pan. Okay, make sure it's like nice and hot, but make sure your fire is medium. Just put your blended items. So your sambal should look like this, slightly oily, and then you boleh simpan kat dalam jar macam ni and letak dekat dalam fridge, and it can last about a month. So now since sambal kita dah siap, jom buat Kuey Teow. So the ingredients untuk Kuey Teow is very simple. All you need is just kucai or chai, prawns peeled and deveined. Lepas tu tauge, and then you need 2 eggs, and then this is the mixture of dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and also light soy sauce, and then this sambal that we made earlier, and also Kuey Teow. Okay, shout out to Laksmana Usaha. This is my favorite brand, because when you fry the Kuey Teow is very elastic, and also it's chewy, and dia tak putus bila you goreng. So okay dah, I tak nak cakap banyak, let's start. Okay, so make sure your wok is like super hot, and what I like to do first, I like to fry my prawn dulu. I'll fry sampai it's like golden brown like this, but not to cook lah, sebab nanti tak nak di overcook. And then with the same oil, you take your sambal, then you just letak about 1.5 teaspoon. Okay, so disclaimer, this Kuey Teow is the Kuey Teow goreng tau, bukan Kuey Teow yang basah tu. But if you guys like the basah Kuey Teow, at this stage you can add water. Okay, masukkan your telur and immediately kacau. Masa ni make sure your fire is very high for you to get the hard flavor tu. The Kuey Teow is nice, and every part of the Kuey Teow is coated. Tengok, that's why I suka guna Laksmana punya Kuey Teow, sebab dia tak putus. Add your prawns, your bean sprouts, and also your chai. Give it a stir. Oh, that's so good. And it's done. Simple kan? Easy, simple, and it's very cheap too. So you guys, don't forget to try this recipe. Comment, subscribe, like, share this video with everyone, and yes, until next time guys, bye.